In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create drag and drop activities with Google Slides. By the end, you'll have a clean slide with a locked background and movable pieces that learners can drag into place. Start by opening Google Chrome and signing into your Google account so you can access all your Google tools. Once you're in, click the Google Apps icon in the top right corner, the small grid of dots, and choose Google Slides. On the Slides homepage, select blank to start a new presentation. This gives you a clear canvas for your activity. Before adding draggable pieces, set a fixed background. Open the slide menu at the top, then choose Change Background. Click Choose Image, then browse to upload a background from your computer. This could be a worksheet layout, a map, a chart, or any scene you want students to work with. When the image loads, click Done. Setting it as the background is important because it locks the design in place, preventing accidental movement while students drag items on top of it. Now that your background is set, make sure the slide canvas is selected and active so your inserts land where you want them. Go to the Insert menu and choose Upload from Computer. Pick the images you want to use as draggable pieces. These might be labels, icons, counters, or pictures related to your activity. Insert as many as you need for this slide. Position each image where learners will grab it, often in a tray area along the side or bottom of the slide. Click an image to select it, then drag it into place. To resize, drag a corner handle in or out to keep the proportions looking natural. Keep enough space between items so it's easy to select and move them later. If your pieces have transparent backgrounds, they'll look cleaner on top of your background image. PNG files often work well for this. Continue adding, positioning, and resizing the rest of your images until your layout feels balanced and intuitive. Think about the flow for your learners, where they'll find each piece, where they'll drop it, and whether the text and visuals are large enough to see clearly. As you place items, consider leaving visual cues on the background like boxes, lines, or empty areas, so it's obvious where items should go. That's it. You've opened Slides, created a blank file, set a locked background, inserted your draggable images, and arranged them for easy use. Your drag and drop activity is now ready to use and adapt for future lessons.